the hottest topics and the thing I get asked about a lot is how do I relieve my back pain when I'm at the office? I have an office job. I work somewhere between 12 and 16 hours a day. So how am I going to relieve the pain at the office? And it's a very challenging subject. There's ways to relieve it, and there's certainly ways to try to manage what's going on. But it's really hard to relieve the pain. In terms of management, the tricks that tend to work are just trying to get up as frequently as you can, and also trying to find some time to walk around the office, and if time permitting, literally purposefully walking around. Those little itty bitty steps in the office might not be enough, but if you can get your stride length to be longer and your cadence up, you might actually help a little bit with the management of the pain. In terms of relieving the back pain, it's a little tricky. You're going to really look for some stretching techniques, and hopefully either you figured some out on your own or you've managed to go to physical therapy where they have taught you some of these exercises or stretches. And if you do have some options, the key is to try to stretch your back out frequently during the day. It's not going to be a morning only, but rather maybe a few times during the day, maybe every hour if it's recommended, because that'll help to reduce the pressure on your back associated with the sitting and the amount of sitting that you're doing during the course of the day. And naturally, whether you're trying to manage or relieve, one of the tips is going to be to try to maintain your neutral spine or a neutral posture. The spine is meant to be an S shape, the lower back being in what's called the lordosis, your mid back being in a kyphosis, and then back to a lordosis for the cervical spine. So trying to promote that S shape is the key, either using your muscles actively or trying to get your hands on a lumbar roll to place in your lower back that will help promote the posture of your lower back. So a combination of stretching, getting up frequently during the day, and trying to maintain proper postural habits.